Welcome to the Seesaw Professional Development. In this video, we will explore what Seesaw is, how to access, and go over its basic features. We'll also dive into how you can effectively integrate Seesaw into your classroom to enhance both teaching and learning. Let's get started. Seesaw is a versatile digital platform supporting instruction time from opening activities to assessments. Perfect for both in-class and remote learning across grade levels. It aligns with Georgia and Common Core standards and fosters multimodal learning, allowing students to engage through drawing, writing, audio, and video. With accessible features like speech-to-text and screen readers, Seesaw promotes an inclusive learning environment. Seesaw also enhances communication between students, teachers, and parents, providing transparency and insights into student progress, making it a valuable tool for all members of the learning community. We will now go through the step-by-step process of logging into Seesaw, creating a class, and creating student activities. Feel free to follow along. To access Seesaw, open your favorite web browser and head to the URL provided below. You will see 4 options: I'm a teacher, I'm a student, and additional options for their learning community. Go ahead and click I'm a teacher. Sign in using your school-provided Google, Microsoft, ClassLink, or Clever account. You can also click Create Teacher Account to use an email, address, and password. Once you're signed in, you'll be on your teacher dashboard. Here is a quick look at the dashboard features you will find. Your name at the top left, which you can click to navigate between your classes or access your account settings. Messages. This is where teachers send announcements and communicate with students in direct messages, group chats, or discussion posts. Library. A curated collection of lessons and activities created by Seesaw and its community of teachers. There are a lot of amazing ideas to explore here. We will revisit this tab. Add. Use this button to post assignments to your class. On the right-hand side is your class name and additional class features. Journal shows all completed assignments in one organized place. Activities. This is where you will find the list of lessons and activities assigned to each class. Progress. A quick reference for monitoring student progress and providing feedback. Notifications. You'll get updates on class comments, likes, and activity updates all in one place. Now that we've explored the features of the teacher dashboard, are you ready to create a class? Here's how. On your teacher dashboard, click your name, then select Create New Class. Name your class and choose the grade level, or you can import your class from Google Classroom. Click the green check mark to create your class and navigate to your class setting. You can customize classroom settings further by adding co-teachers, allowing family access, establishing how students can join, and adjusting settings like allowing comments and likes on student submissions. Pro tip: unless it's a collaborative assignment, it's a good idea to turn off the option students can see each other's work to maintain privacy. Plus, you'll have access to other features like student feedback tools, privacy settings, and even grading options to fit your classroom needs. Let's create an activity. Click the green plus sign button at the top of the screen. Add to Student Journal allows you to upload assignments, whether it's a photo, drawing, file, or a link. Assign Activity allows you to pick from Seesaw's library of activities, or you can create your own. For today, we're going to select Assign Activity. When you're browsing the Seesaw Activity Library, you can filter by the grade levels provided, the curriculum standards, or the various categories listed below. You can always use the search button to find specific topics. The Community Library gives you access to free teacher-created activities, which you can explore through all grade levels and a multitude of subjects. You can also search for a specific topic as well. Pro tip: there's a lot of content to choose from, so take your time exploring to find the best activities for your class. Once you've found a lesson that you would like to implement, Check out the different activities by viewing as a student, or you can go through the provided lesson plan to see teacher tips and how to specifically teach each part of the lesson. If you would like to make any edits, you would click the three dots at the top right and make a copy to make edits before posting to your students. Seesaw is a flexible tool that can be easily integrated into classroom instruction across different content areas. Here are two specific examples of how Seesaw can support Georgia Standards of Excellence. In a 5th grade English Language Arts class, to meet this standard, teachers can use Seesaw to create a figurative language activity where students demonstrate their understanding of similes, metaphors, and personification. Students could also create a digital figurative language journal. After reading a passage, students can record themselves explaining how figurative language is used in the text and what it means. They can upload pictures or drawings that represent the figurative language, and teachers can provide immediate feedback through voice notes or text comments. In a 6th grade social studies class, Seesaw can be used to focus on economic systems. Teachers can have students complete a digital project on one of the 3 types of economies using Seesaw's multimodal tools. Students might create short videos explaining the economic system, provide examples from different countries, or compare them using a Venn diagram in the app for the Jigsaw learning activity. Following the activity, they can submit their own audio reflections discussing which system they think works best and why. This type of activity not only enhances understanding of economic principles, but also allows for differentiated instruction by giving students various ways to express their learning. Seesaw is user-friendly and packed with features to help you create engaging and meaningful learning experiences. Once your class is set up, you'll find Seesaw's flexibility makes it easy to adapt to your teaching style. Take some time to explore the tools, and soon you'll be crafting activities your students will love.